Hi! We're cooking really easy, simple, and delicious fried onions today. You can use whatever onion you have. Cut them into the shape you like. Add oil in a hot pan. Add your onions and start stirring them. Two minutes later, add some soy sauce. Keep stirring for another 2 minutes, and then add some preserved black beans. This is really adding flavor to the dish, so I do not recommend you skip it. Couple minutes later, add star anise and salt, and that's it. Stir for another couple minutes before you take it out, and you're done. Let me know in a comment how did your fried onion go. Please like and subscribe. Thank you!